With me I've got Tim Morano. He's the Chief Operating Manager right here at Sloanebuilt. Now, how good is this? I feel so excited about being in your workshop. Tell us how Sloanebuilt all started.
Sloanebuilt started in the 1970s.
Right.
It was inquired about in the 80s, 86. We first were in a little town called Camden, first factory, then we moved to Smeaton Grange.
And Dad was been involved with this, Freddie boy?
Yeah, Dad's been involved with it from the start, yes.
And they got the whole family involved?
Yeah, 2 brothers and a sister, yes.
Well, tell us exactly what happens in this fabulous acreage.
We build everything in-house here from start to finish. Trucks will come here, arrive here from a dealership or from a customer. We'll then put a body and make a truck and dog combination or B-double combination, road train combination.
So how many staff have you got around here?
We're close to 135, 140 staff members if everyone's here at once.
And they're all high-class quality people,
they're all tradesmen, from painters to boiler makers to fitters to mechanics.
So you said before about end-to-end, right? Now, around the world, it's always hard to keep your customers, right? But your retention of customers is amazing.
Yes.
Why?
We built a very good, strong product, lasting a long time.
Yeah.
We're very popular in the workplace for our commitment to repairs and servicing. We're well known just to commit to our job.
Okay, now, end-to-end, right? Explain what that means.
End-to-end, everything's here. We start from chassis work, right through to producing the bin, to mechanic, hydraulics, electrical. Nothing gets subbied out, it's all built in this one factory.
Right in here, Australian owned.
Yes, right.
Ready to go. Well, you know what? I want to have a look around. Would you take me around?
Yes, we'll go for a walk.
Right, let's go walk. Can we, boy?